to discuss you about zeros of a polynomial. In my previous video, you have already seen various type of polynomials, linear polynomials, quadratic polynomials, cubic polynomials and biquadratic polynomial. Today I am going to tell you zeros of a quadratic polynomial. Standard form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is a standard form of quadratic polynomial. A is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x and c is constant term. Here I will tell you relationship between zeros and coefficient of a polynomial. I have already told you zeros are totally depend upon the power. Here maximum power of polynomial is 2. So here x square, so answer will be alpha and beta. Alpha and beta are the Greek words and solution of quadratic polynomial. Alpha is the first root and beta is the second root. Sum are roots. Suppose I have alpha first root and beta second root. So sum of roots will be alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. This is formula. What is b here? B is coefficient of x and a is coefficient of x square. So formula of alpha plus beta will be minus b by a. In second form we can say minus coefficient of x and coefficient of x square. Here product of the roots will multiply of both roots alpha and beta. Product of alpha and beta equal to c by a. You are watching here c. C is constant term. C is constant term and by a. A is coefficient of x square. You have to memorize this one only. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic polynomial and relationship between both the zeros are alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a and alpha into beta equal to c by a. Clear? Maximum power is 2. So there will be two solutions, alpha and beta. Alpha is the first solution, beta is the second solution. Alpha plus beta, sum of roots equal to minus b by a. Product of the roots alpha into beta equal to c by a. Clear? Now, to obtain a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are given, you have already learned alpha is the first zero of quadratic polynomial and beta is the second one. If we have to frame quadratic polynomial, if zeros are given, if alpha and beta both the numbers are given, suppose alpha is given and beta is given, and product of the alpha beta, sum of the alpha beta, these are given, then we can frame a quadratic equation. So there is a formula x square minus sum of roots alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic into x plus product of the roots. Here is written to obtain a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are given. If alpha is given, beta is given and we have to frame new quadratic equation, then we will apply this formula x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of the roots. Suppose here is a question, this question of NCERT. Find a quadratic polynomial if sum of roots and product of roots are 1 by 4 and minus 1 respectively. Here, see, alpha plus beta is given here, 1 by 4. Here, product of the roots, minus 1 is given. Need not to do anything, you have to just apply this formula and put the value. Okay? What is alpha plus beta? 1 by 4. alpha plus beta is 1 by 4. So our solution will be x square minus alpha plus beta is the sum of roots. Here sum of roots 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into x, this is x plus product of the roots. What is product? Minus 1. Minus 1. X square minus alpha plus beta is sum of roots is given 1 by 4. To put the value of alpha plus beta here, sum of roots is given and product of roots is also given. Sometime what happened? Alpha and beta are given. If alpha and beta are given, then you have to add alpha plus beta. Then you will get alpha plus beta. Here alpha plus beta is given. Alpha into beta is always given. Sometime what happened? Alpha given, beta given. In that case, you have to find alpha plus beta first, then product of the alpha beta. Then you have to put alpha plus beta and alpha into beta in quadratic formula. X square minus 1 by 4 x minus 1. Now here by 1, here by 1. Get LCM 1, 4 and 1. LCM is 4. LCM is 4. And you can have this one. You can have this one. 1, 4, 1. LCM is 4. And like term is, so after getting LCM, you have to divide by the denominator. 4 divided by 1, what will you get? 4. 4 into x square, 4 x square. Second one is, denominator is 4. 4 divided by 4, you will get 1. 1 into 1, 1x. Then plus into minus. Plus into minus, minus. 4 is here, 4 divided by 1 into 1, 4. This is the standard equation. 1, 4, 1. LCM is 4. Then, after getting LCM, divide by denominator, then multiply by numerator. And this process will be till the last. Divide by denominator, multiply by numerator, divide by denominator, multiply by numerator. इसको हिंदी में ऐसा कह सकते हैं कि अनलाइक टर्म में एलसीएम निकालो, इसी में है भलाई. अनलाइक टर्म में एलसीएम निकालो, इसी में है भलाई, और डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड करो, न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई. तो इससे क्या है, अनलाइक टर्मों को ऐड करने पर इजी होता है. और यदि हम इसको इक्वल टू 0 करके करना चाहते हैं इस क्वाड्रेटिक, तो 4 वहां चला जाएगा और आपका स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म हो जाता है 4x² minus x minus 4. This is the standard form. This is in the form of ax² plus bx plus c. In previous video, I have already told you ax² plus bx plus c is standard form of the quadratic equation. Here is also same thing is here. Bring up to 0 again. ax² bx plus c. Clear? So this is the equation if alpha and beta given, or alpha plus beta and alpha into beta given. Now here, if two zeros are 3 minus root 5 and 3 plus root 5, then find a quadratic equation. Here alpha is given and beta is given. Only you have to increase 2 more steps. Alpha is, this is alpha and this is beta. So find sum of roots. Sum of roots alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. What is alpha? 3 minus root 5. What is beta? 3 plus root 5. Now solve this equation. Minus root 5 and plus root 5. Both will be cancelled. And here remaining 6. We have got alpha plus beta. Sum of roots is 6. Now sum of roots, then product of roots. Product of roots. Alpha into beta. What is alpha? 3 minus root 5. And what is beta? 3 plus root 5. Combination of rational and irrational number. In 9th class you have already studied a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. This is a minus b, a plus b. What will happen? A square minus b square. Alpha into beta, alpha into beta. A minus b, a plus b. What is formula? Identity. A minus b into a plus b identity is a square minus b square. A square minus b square. Now, next one. Here, 3 square 9 minus root 5 into root 5 root 25. 9 is 9. Value of root 25 is 5 equal to 4. This is alpha into beta. We have already got alpha plus beta equal to 6 and alpha into beta is 4. Clear? When we add both the zeros, we have got alpha plus beta. When we multiply both the zeros, we have got 9 minus 5 equal to 4. Now quadratic equation form x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Now I have already explained x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Now what we do? Alpha plus beta is 6. Alpha plus beta is 6 minus 6 into x plus what is alpha into beta? 4. So this is a solution. X square minus 6x plus 4. X square minus 6x plus 4 is the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c. So I have already explained what is alpha, what is beta. These are the roots of the quadratic polynomial. And sum of roots, alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, alpha into beta equal to c by a. If zeros are given, then how will you find out this quadratic equation? If sum of roots and product of roots are given, then this formula will be used. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. If you have both the values, then you can get such type of equation. Clear? In next video we will meet again.